Hey guys, Scott here with a quick tip on how to audit your spreadsheet for a potential missing account code. So we've got a little expense analysis going on here where we've got our descriptions here. Those are being pulled in using our description function. We've got the corresponding account code and we've got a balance here. And so we've got 4 different expense accounts, pulling those balances in, and we're summing up the total. But got a sneaking suspicion that we're missing one. So I'm making it pretty obvious here for you by leaving a blank space here. But look at our sum total here of 24,915. And I'm wondering, I always like to check to see whether or not I'm missing an account code. So a good way to do that is using the XRANGE command. So I've gone down here and just doing a little checksum with XRANGE. You can see it up here, XRANGE, and I'm taking a range here using XRANGE of account codes that would encompass all of the accounts within a certain range. So starting at 640, going all the way down to 66724. And sure enough, this number does not check with this number. So I'm off by a difference of 137. So kind of obvious that I'm missing one or more accounts. But simplified example, we're just going to see that if I switch over to my trial balance, little mini trial balance over here, um, I've done the work for you here. I've identified $137 here. This is the missing account over here. You can certainly do a search for that amount. And, you guys are probably a lot better with Excel than I am, but you'll quickly find it using this methodology. We'll go back. That was account number 6486. Let's just put that guy in there really quick, like that. And we'll take some formulas here and do some copying like such. Let's get the description in here just to really tidy things up nicely. And there we go. And you can see that we now have a difference of 0 and everything's good to go. So quick tip there for finding missing accounts. Thank you.